We all know humans dislike something, right? But what do cats dislike? Today I am going to share 20 things cats dislike, and the last one will surprise you. The first one is water, but the reason is due to their safety. Water makes the cats heavier and unable to allow them to move freely. If they are outdoor cats, then this exposes them to the dangers associated with being outdoor cats. Number 2.
It's you.
No explanation needed. Okay, on to the next reason. Number 3. Clothes. The reason is similar to why they hate water, and that is because it restrains their movement. Also because they get embarrassed to be seen by the neighbor's cat in such clothing. Number 4. Thunder. This is for the same reason some humans dislike thunder. It's all due to it being so loud. Number 5. Other cats. Whenever other cats come by the house, we think, "Aw, that's so cute," but all the cat can think of is,
"He is walking on my territory."
Cats are territorial creatures, and they use an array of strategies to mark their territory. For example, spraying, rubbing their glands onto objects, or even burying their feces around his plot of land. Number 6. Dogs. As for animals, cats do not like dogs. You always heard the phrase, "men best friend." Well, I guess cats understood that phrase and are rebelling against it. Number 6. Forced cuddling. Not all cats like people invading their space, even less when you just grab their face like a squishy toy. Respect the cat's space. Number 7. Exercise. I know we all can relate to this, because I will admit, even I dislike having to exercise. Now, you must also remember that cats sleep about 2/3 of their life. So having to exercise for the 1/3 in which they are awake is tough. Number 8. Being stared at. The reason behind this is because cats see being stared at as a threat. So imagine this, you are walking down the street, and some random guy just starts staring at you. Would you not feel uncomfortable? Number 9. Having their paws touched. Cats have a high concentration of nerve endings in their paws. Imagine if someone were to touch your fingers or toes unexpectedly. It might startle you or make you uncomfortable as well. Number 10.
It's you.
I know I said this, but needed to make sure you heard me the first time. Do you really need an explanation on why? Next, number 11. Medication. Just like us humans hating to take those awful pills or other forms of bad-tasting medicine, you can understand why cats hate medication. It makes them feel different, and it is hard to try to explain to a cat why they need to take such medication and the possible side effects. Number 12. Closed doors. For cats, you are closing off an escape route for the cat. And cats are curious creatures who always want to explore. Number 13. Roomba vacuum. This becomes very apparent whenever you own one, because you notice how loud the Roomba vacuum is. If you learn anything today is that cats do not like loud noises. Number 14. Unfamiliar scents. Cats are sensitive to smells, and strong or unfamiliar scents can be off-putting. Number 15. Dirty litter box. We already know cats are clean creatures by nature, so whenever they see a dirty litter box, it will be unpleasant for them. Number 16. Overpetting. Some cats have a limit to how much they enjoy being petted, and overstimulation can be uncomfortable. Number 17. Closed windows. Cats often enjoy looking outside, and closed windows can be frustrating for them. Number 18. Lack of playtime. Cats, especially younger ones, need regular play and mental stimulation. If not, they might take it out on each other. Number 19. Change in food. Cats are creatures of habits, and whenever you abruptly change their diet, it may upset some cats. Number 20.
It's you.
Are you really surprised? We all know cats are the ones in charge, so as soon as you start acting crazy, the cat will have you replaced. Now enjoy getting rick-rolled. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and comment what kind of video you want to see next.